Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will teach you how to create avatar poses. First of all, you need to know that the animation or the pose file in IMVU is having extension .xaf, which is XML animated file. As we know that when the creator upload his avatar product on IMVU, it will be encrypted, so you cannot manipulate the animation, the pose. You cannot change it. So I will teach you how to do it. First, we need pick a pose, to create a pose, or to pick it from IMVU itself. This program is called IMVU Product Extractor. It will extract all assets for any IMVU product, either hidden or disabled or whatever. It will extract, it will take all the files and will save it in our system. This program is called IMVU KSA Product Extractor. We have it on our website. So I will put the product ID of the avatar pose, and I will press get derivation tree. We'll wait till it finish extracting all the derivation trees first. I will select the last one, and I will press get assets. We have two poses. I think this one for sitting pose and this one for the standing pose. Now I will save it on my desktop. I will name it anim, the folder, and press OK. So we are done from this program. So he extracted the files and the animation files. As we can see, if we opened the XAF file, which is the animation, the pose, using any kind of hexa editor, as you can see here, the data itself, see, it's encrypted here. The data is encrypted. This usually should be an XML. XML is a readable file. So what we will do, first we will decrypt this file, so we'll get the XML part from it. So we will use a new program I made. It's called IMVU Files Decryptor. I'll just click on the text box here, and I will pick the encrypted animated file and press open. As you can see here, now it's decrypted. This is the decrypted part. If I opened it using the Ultra Edit, as you can see here, now it is an XML animated file. It's decrypted now. So I will just select all, and I will copy the XML code, and I will use this flash widget. Is by Deliverance. I will put the link for this tool. I will click load, and I will paste the XML code I just copied. As you can see, now this is the pose. Now I can click on any bone, and I will just change some the pose itself. I will just change like this, for example. When you are like okay for this, you are done creating the pose, I'll just click on save. Now the XML part is saved. As you can see, the XAF for this pose have been copied to your clipboard. So what I will do, I will just I will select our file, and I will just paste, replacing the code, and I will press save. So now our file, this file, have the new pose. What I will do is to import it into IMVU. So in IMVU derive new product, I will pick 191, which is the male avatar, IMVU avatar, and then you will go to actions, and you'll see here standing. those are the files. I'll just replace them with this. I will select all. I'll just pick the same pose. You can you can put whatever pose you need. So now when I press apply change and see what will happen. See, this is the new pose. This is the pose that we created in Deliverance. So after this we save, then upload, and okay, so happy creating. I will put the links down. Please like, subscribe, and activate the alarm to know if there is any new software, cool software, any new video. So take care and bye bye.